Hey guys, well, good morning, good night. Okay, so right now it's at 2:45 a.m. and I'm preparing to go for a trip, a solo trip for that case. So I'm just doing my laundry. I've done already 2 loads. I'm remaining with 2 loads, but I think the rest I'm going to be doing them tomorrow, and I'll be traveling at night. That is tomorrow. Okay, today at night, because right now it's at 2:45 a.m. in the morning, and I'll be traveling today at 7 p.m. probably. And I'll take you through this journey, so just in case there's someone who wants to do this, they can like at least have like something to compare with. So I'll be traveling by bus because I'm going to Malindi. I'm not going to Mombasa, and then mini bara. So I can't like just go with SGR and then pretend that I'm going to be connecting from SGR to Malindi, you see, and then it's going to be also expensive. So I'm just like weighing options. So I'll also show you like today I went to several of those buses and matatus so that I can like check the best rates and who look like they are well like organized. So I did get, oh, my hand is a bit tired. Okay, so I went to Dreamline, I went to Naikana, and I went to Fillers. Exactly. So the first one was Fillers. Fillers was the matatus really look comfortable, like they're new, comfortable. And from Nairobi to Malindi, that was 2000, and I was like, ooh, siniane tu naisijera alafu ni connect. Anyway, the search wasn't over, so I decided to go to the next one, Naikana, and I saw those matatus for Naikana, like their beats, zimechapa. I asked the price and it was 1700. I was like, 1700, yes, but at a cost of, they don't look comfortable. So that was like 300 less than Fillers. So I was like, huh. Anyway, let me go to Dreamline because initially that's the first place that I was supposed to go, and even Italy. Peter, your office, Italy, me and my mom. My mom is really helping me out on this. Tuli Peter Dreamline tukafika Fillers, tukarudi Fillers Naikana, alafu nyuma nyuma ni Dreamline. So tukaenda Dreamline, asked the price. Apparently, okay, so for Fillers there was a car over there waiting. For Naikana there was a car over there waiting. Now Dreamline you really have to book. There wasn't even a car. You just know there wasn't. So we asked, and she was like, yeah, to Malindi, from Nairobi to Malindi, the bus that is leaving over there. Okay, I don't know if it's a bus or a matatu, but the bus which is leaving to tomorrow, because I was there on Monday yesterday. Hey, these timings. Anyway, I was there on Monday, so today now Tuesday, the bus that is leaving at 7 p.m. is 1400, and the bus that is leaving at 8 p.m. is 1600. So I asked, do I have to book before, that is pay before, and then I come at that time, or can I just come at that time and pay and just get into the bus? And she was like, nah, okay, ukibahatika ndo utaingia, like kama kuna less one person. So basically for Dreamline you have to book. Okay, so that's that. And then so yesterday I went for thrifting. I went to get some swimsuits, some bags, not some bags, but a bag. And you guys, wait, yesterday was my lucky day, honestly, and a hat. So I'm going to be showing you all of that as I like pack. And then okay, for now I've washed some of my clothes. Okay, all the clothes that I thrifted yesterday. And then so when I'm packing, when they dry up and I'm packing, I'm going to be showing you all of that. I know some of you are wondering, you've washed your clothes right now and I'm expecting for them to like dry up and still pack them. Yeah, you guys, I can't explain to, I can't. I can't. So yeah, so I hope you enjoy this. I'm really excited, really tired, looking forward to experience and create memories, and be in touch with the beach. I was to say the nature, but be in touch with the beach, talk to God, and then I'm going to know like after this what's next. Okay, so yeah. Hey guys, how do I look? Anyway, I took a nap, so I've just booked my seat with Dreamline. I decided to go either 1600, which is 8 p.m. So apparently the one which is 1400 for 7 p.m. doesn't have like, they do have different amenities. So the 1400, it's just a basic vehicle. I think it just has where you can plug your wherever your charger, and that's just it. Now for this 1600, there's air conditioner, air AC, that is kuna, what else, kuna air charger, there's Wi-Fi, there's really a lot of things. I'm going to put them on the screen so that like you can see if 1400 it has this, 1600 it has this, and then now at least you can make a decision from there. Get? And the difference is 200, so I'm like, oh, I can pay like extra 200 bob for comfort. You get? Because this life has no balance. If you don't love yourself, who will? Who will, guys? Who will? So guys, I was out for a little bit. I got money upstairs. I told her give me pastel, and she did give me pastel. I feel like a baby. And then I also ordered some snacks from Carrefour, and they came when I was in the salon. I'm going to show you what I've ordered, the snacks that I've ordered, and then yeah, we can get to packing, I guess. So this is what I ordered: some Tokyo chips or crisps, Kenyan chopped dar, some macadamia nuts, some mixed nuts which are roasted and salted, chocolates, mocha bean and almond and raisin, and some Cadbury dairy milk fruit and nut, and 2 exercise books. Yep. Okay guys, I slept and I'm a tad bit no, I'm anxious, really anxious. I think because it's the first time traveling alone, but I know I'll manage it. Yeah. So guys, this is the layout of my clothes. Some dresses and rompers over here, some swimsuits over there, some booty shorts, and one sleeping whatever that is what I'm wearing right now. And this is the skincare that I'll be carrying. Yep, just that sunscreen, and there's also another sunscreen over here, hat. Yeah, that's it. I'm not overpacking. And also I'll be packing this meat. This is chicken and pork. They look tiny on camera, but it's quite a lot together with my snacks over there. Yep. Aki, you guys, you know what? If I hadn't booked the Dreamline bus, I swear I think I'd have cancelled this trip, because the anxiety attacks that I'm having, ew, yuck. But anyway, right now it's at 6:02 p.m. and I was to get out of the house at 6, but I think I'm still on time. So let me show you how I have dressed. My OOTN. It's outfit all the night. I really don't know if you'll get to see me when you're there. I really hope you see me. It's just a black vest, some jeans, and I'll be pairing it with this jacket. The reason as to why I'm wearing this jacket is because I need this pocket. You see this inside pocket, because you know I have to be extra careful. And some sandals, some white sandals. And I'll be wearing this Tom Ford Tobacco Vanille perfume so that I can feel dangerous. And I'll be carrying this one. This is a Burberry sample perfume. So this is what I'll be wearing the whole of the trip. Hey guys, guess what? I arrived safe and sound, in as much as there's one person who has conned me. That took But anyway, ni sawa tu. So I arrived like around 5:30 a.m. But when I dilly-dallied huko hivyo kwa basi. So now I'm going to show you. Okay, no, right now it's quite dark outside and it's hella hot. It's so hot. So right now I'm going to sleep, and then when the sun rises, I'm going to give you a house tour because this room is so good. Apart from the bed, I'm going to take right now. I'm going to take the tour of the bed right now because I'm so sure there's no way it will stay like this. Okay, I can try, but there's no way it will stay like this. And then I'm going to unpack my stuff, and then after that I sleep, and then I'll show you a house tour later today. Yeah. So this is the bread. It's so huge. And then we have nets over here. Yeah. So this is the door, and then you enter like this. On your left, there is a lot of space. My little closet over there. The bed. I told you I'm going to mess it up with the flowers, but at least I took the before. And then on this other side, there is a safe. So you come over here, get into the bathroom. There's a toilet and I guess a urinal if I'm not wrong. There's me. And then there's a shower over here. Weird. And then we have a little fridge. Right now it just has water and chocolate. And then what the hell is this? Anyway. And then we have a balcony. So it's finally open. Now we have a little balcony, a terrace over here. I can come and show the book. Over there is the swimming pool, and also when you go down there, you go to the beach. Hapo nje kuna wase wa nduthi na tuk-tuk. I need to go to Malindi town. Oh, there's no one at the pool. I can go and take a dip by the way. Okay. Yeah, that's it for the house tour.